We've dealt with 5-digit numbers before. In this number, 7 lies in the units place, 3 lies in the tens place, 9 in the hundreds place, 8 in the thousands place, and the digit 2 lies in the 10,000 place. On expansion, it can be written like this. Solving this expression will give us this number. Now, can you tell me the greatest 5-digit number? It's this, 99,999. What comes after this number? Yes, we will get the next number if we add 1 to it. Adding 1 to the greatest 5-digit number will give us this. What's this number called? It's called 1 lakh. The number 1 lakh comes from the greatest 5-digit number. Notice it's the smallest 6-digit number. Now let me write another 6-digit number on the screen. Say this one. Can you write down this number in words? It'll be 4,13,726. And the expanded form will look like this. Now can you tell me the greatest 6-digit number? That's right. It's 9,99,999. What do we get if we add 1 to the greatest 6-digit number? And the expanded form will look like this. Now, can you tell me the greatest 6-digit number? That's right. It's 9,99,999. What do we get if we add 1 to the greatest 6-digit number? We get this. This number is called 10 lakhs. It's the smallest 7-digit number. Yes, if we add 1 to the greatest 6-digit number, we get 10 lakhs. Now can you write the greatest 7-digit number? Yes, it's this one. 99,99,999. Let me ask you the same question again. What will I get if I add 1 to this? This is the number I will get. What's this number called? Well, you can say that it's 100 lakhs. If that's the answer you gave, I wouldn't say you're wrong. But this number is also given a special name. It's called 1 crore. Yes, 1 crore is the smallest 8-digit number. Now to avoid confusion, let me draw it vertically for you. We have the number 10 on top. We multiplied by 10 to get 100. We multiply 100 with 10 to get 1000. Multiplying by 10 will give us 10,000. Multiplying that by 10 again will give us 1 lakh. Then 10 lakhs and then 1 crore. Looking at this, we can also say that 1 lakh is 100,000. 1 crore is 100 lakhs. So we can use different permutations and combinations to understand this. I'm sure you know why we need such large numbers. Whether it is to represent the number of people in your state or to understand the earnings of a large company, we need to use large numbers. So now that you understand large numbers, can you write this number in words? You'll find it difficult to do so, right? Why is that? It's because we haven't used commas here. Let me write it this way now. This clearly makes it easier. It's 4 crores 23 lakhs 49,816. But why have we put the commas like this? Couldn't we have written it like this? Or maybe like this? To know more about how to use commas, do watch our next video.